has conflicted feelings of beating a girl.
What?
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Wait, what's this do?
Yeah.
What's the symbol monkey do?
No! Bitch!
It's like a monkey from Black Ops.
Bitch, please help me! Somebody help me, bitch! Bitch, stop it!
I'm coming for your
Tyson blind. Whoa, pause. I don't know if that's the.
Can I put a
Bro said he coming
put
for
a
us.
must-
Root.
Hold on, I'm playing Jetpack Joyride.
Damn, it's in third person?
Oh, I just...
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm playing Jetpack Joyride. I'm gonna go check out what this tower is all about.
I'm trying to like.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Come at me, Mitch.
What'd you say?
Nothing. I didn't say nothing.
Bro switched up real quick.
Head over there.
Tyson, you see what I got?
I don't see anything yet.
Oh, I got a thing. I got a thing.
Oh my god, I think I get it. I see it.
I got a thing. Mitch, you better not come around these parts.
I don't
Watch
like
your
that I
toes,
got...
bud.
I don't like that I got targeted right away.
This is bad. This is bad.
Mitch is already
Straight
figuring out...
cheat.
You ain't
toxic
come
strats.
around these parts. This is America.
Mitch has already figured out toxic strats for Wormtown.
What the fuck? Dude, how is this guy so good with the worm?
So it's just CJ left?
No.
CJ, run away. Run away, CJ.
Get to the balloon, CJ.
Get to
Where?
the balloon.
It's
Look up
over
in
here.
the sky.
I don't know. How do
You
we
might
mark
wanna
stuff
you
again?
might want to hold on to something.
I see it. Oh, this is so cringe!
I mean,
yeah, bro.
we're currently dead.
I'm
but
nowhere and everywhere at the same time, you know what I'm saying?
he
He's not
transcends
moving.
space
He
and
ain't
time,
moving.
actually.
He ain't moving.
I wonder what the
There you are.
canteen does.
No,
Where'd you go?
you
Where'd
don't
go?
see me. Nowhere.
No.
I do.
That's why you look like a gumball, bitch.
What if I do this though?
Run, CJ. Run.
Let's go.
Dude, how is this guy so good with the worm?
I'm too goated. I'm too goated.
I'm doing Sand Trap and Silent Predator. That would be really funny.
God.
Just sneak
It's
up on
Predator.
somebody. Hey,
It's
Tyson. My brother.
Every game I play with you,
Heart
just
miner.
turn into a horde.
He hurts my...
Because it's funny. I do heart miners, but not miners. Alright, I'm starting the fucking game.
Hey, we got Hitler on our team.
Dude,
Yeah, buddy.
let's go!
Yeah. We can't lose. We can't lose.
Yeah. Dude, nah, this guy's insanely good at this game. Like, what the fuck?
Move it, Hitler. You're blocking my balls.
Hey,
Alright,
yo, something I never thought I would hear on my Saturday afternoon. Hey, you leave me alone, cuz.
I'm not a good snack for you.
Bro, I'm
God.
sweaty and like gross. It's bad.
Oh, shit, he's
what
there!
the fuck is that?
What?
What the fuck?
What just happened?
He said
Dude,
like a
what
big
the
ass
shit?
bomb at me. Leave me alone.
You leave me and my perfectly fine sized hat alone. Dude, Tyson's
I
like
just can't find you
fucking,
guys.
he's like fucking laser focused on me.
I just can't find... I don't know where you guys are at.
He's camping the fucking train.
Yeah, because I don't know where anybody's at.
Just be better, how about that?
Damn, that's a tough.
I say it as he's about to come eat my ass.
Oh, hello, yeah!
He's about to use
Oh my god, I'm running around on fucking rock for my life right now. What? I was in the rock, bruh! That's so bullshit, and you know it. Oh my god. He's just gonna stay around me. I'm a fucker.
train 30%.
Bro, would you fuck off? This dude's camping the fucking entrance.
The worm is armoring. Bro just got fucking plates.
Oh my god.
He's got a fucking painting in his mouth. Not my art project, bruh. I did that for school.
Well, you fuck out of here, bruh.
For real. Like, on God.
Bro, that's why nobody like you for real. You do too much all the time for real, bro.
For real, for real.
No, he's shooting gas at me, bruh. What a dick. What a dickhead. No, shit.
What a problem, man. Wow, I died about as far away from the church as physically possible. It's okay. I'll get my heart over to the church in 2 to 3 business days.
Okay.
Just sounded so defeated right there.
Bro said, yeah, give me like
Time to fuck off.
dude.
Buddy. Buddy.
You just move increasingly slow when you're dead? Or what?
No, you can like push shit, but it takes fucking 8 years for it to like for the cooldown to end.
That shit cringe for real. How do I push this? How do you...
Where the problem at?
Oh, this is...
Oh, that's fucked up.
No.
That's fucked up. He knows exactly where you're at now, though.
Oh, shit.
How did you survive that? How did you survive that?
Because he was on top of it.
Oh.
Mitch.
Hitler will never die. No! I'm so dead. Fuck you.
Alright, well. Do I,
Mine's close to the church. Both of ours are close to the church.
I'm literally here.
Bruh.
You could do it. You could save all.
Don't be ass and we're good, right?
I mean, like, we're not gonna win, but like, we could get back.
We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
Okay, that's fucked up.
I still don't know where you're at, though, is the thing. It just pings everything.
Nah, bro,
we're both so close to the church.
Dog, I don't know if you know what I'm dealing with right now, bro. There ain't no fucking place for me to go.
You just got to have big dog, big nuts, you know what I'm saying?
That's fucked up, bro.
Are you really about to let Hitler die?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Never mind. Don't revive me.
I'm working on it. Let me get mine there, you know. Oh damn.
Oh,
no way you just knocked down the church.
Dude, that's gotta be sacrilegious.
Yeah, that's gotta be fucked up.
There you go.
We get a free 30 seconds just because of that.
For real.
Oh no, bro, that's fucked up. Alright.
Only.
Alright, fuck this out. Fuck this out. I don't care about you guys that much.
That was so funny.
Bro!
Bro, my part is literally...
I'm right here!
No, I got this. I got this.
Hey, Pingo, do you have his shit? Oh.
No.
Nope. Right here.
How did that not hit you? What the fuck? That's so bullshit.
Get it, go.
That was right in your fucking mouth.
Oh, what a push.
Brother.
No,
that's fucked up.
couldn't.
That's fucked up, bro.
Bro, half the shit we're going against is so 8.
It's so OP, bro.
I'm not disagreeing. That shit is OP. Because I suck with Worm.
You heard it here first, folks. Tyson sucks worms.
I'm not playing with my worm right now.
Damn, I wish I was a worm.
Hey, yo, my name Worm now.
Damn, that's crazy. My first name Worm, last name Worm too. What you talking about?
Oh, I suppose. Oh, I suppose. Mitch just wanted to be the fucking worm so bad.
I put on the gas. I was gonna roleplay.
I was gonna roleplay.
Nah, bro, that's fucked up. You can't say that.
Oh, you're ruining my experience. Fuck off. Hey, technically, my guy's skin color is a minority, so like, go after me.
That's racist.
How'd you turn around that quick?
I'm him, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna go front. How the fuck do I use these kits, dude? What did you click?
No way!
I'm
A
him.
pogo stick? Excuse me?
Did you got a pogo stick? Bro, fuck Mitch for real. I've been going after nobody but Mitch.
It's bro. How the
Bro!
Bro.
It's coming for me now. I got the key too. This ain't good. Yep.
Woo. Dude, this shit makes the worm way too easy, bro.
Come at me, Jake. Come at me, boy.
bro, why
I
can't
guarantee you CJ's just not fucking playing.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to use shit, first of all.
Oh. I got a kit. How do I use it? Oh.
Yeah, see, good luck, bitch.
Oh no, I
Okay,
figured
key
it out.
boys.
How?
What? Oh, he got the
How do you
sand
use
trap.
How do you use it?
I don't even remember. I could have sworn it was left click. What's up, Mitch?
No! Oh my god!
That's tough.
Stupid.
Yeah, now you know how I felt. Look at
that's
you,
bad.
fucker.
Try getting caught in his sand trap right next to the train. That's toxic.
Yeah.
Let's go. Where you at?
You be eating ass for real.
Oh my
Oh, you
god.
There ain't no way, bro. How is Mitch not fucking dead? Oh my god. Well, actually, it wasn't right there.
Oh, no
Yeah,
way.
fuck this guy.
I just see a pink guy in a pink hat just fly by.
Like, see you later.
I know how to use the kits. You press tab as if you're putting it in your backpack and it like gives you an ability.
Oh yeah, that's right. Sorry, I couldn't remember that. I'm fucking
Oh,
retarded.
shut up, you lying bitch.
No.
You did that shit on purpose.
No, I didn't. You fucking.
Yeah, you
Okay.
did. You gatekeeping whore.
Wow. Okay, buddy. Actually, I've got a fucking hilarious idea right now.
Oh, what a throw.
I'm gonna be so happy if that gets somebody.
Oh, bro threw a sand trap down by the church. What a cock.
Fuck you, man.
Hey, blood. Hey, blood.
You get taken to the corner of Matt, bitch.
Okay.
Bro.
Are you in the
Gotta get over
quarry?
here.
Okay, I am aware of where I need to go, but how to get out of this area is just kind of trifling me.
I feel like you're in the quarry and you don't know how to climb shit. Yeah, fuck you, gay kid.
I'm just locked in for real.
This is
Bruh.
really creepy just seeing Ghost of Hitler floating around.
Yeah.
Your little imaginary buddy.
Huh? Huh?
Alright.
I'm him. Mm.
I'm him, bro. I'm him. I'm him.
Yeah, dude, suck my nuts, CJ. You fucking hit that
Lick my
place.
balls.
You hit
Lick
for
my balls,
fucking that
bro.
entire
Bro, be like,
game.
Man, I can't game for real. I'm gonna spam the shit a bit. Fuck you.
Hey, you just mad because
Feel
you
like
lost,
a
cuh.
thumb from fucking Spy Kids. Shut up.
You just mad because you lost, cuh.
I love toxicity.
You're just mad because you're angry.
You can't steal my line, bro.
Yeah, sure, I got one of them sad. Fucker.
Angry because you're mad.
What if I got that dog in me?
Can you please make me Worm no ability cooldown? I'll just throw gas everywhere. Please.
Straight up nuke people.
Okay.
I won't use any other abilities, just gas.
Okay. I think.
I can't.
Gas.
I can't eat you guys either. I can only throw gas.
All right.
That's just gonna. We're gonna get raped. That gas shit got a radius of like Hiroshima.
Yeah, it's rough.
Wormtown. Holocaust.
Okay.
All right. All right. Bruh, leave me alone.
Oh, you can't even like let him find anywhere close. Oh, you aren't supposed to use that. You gosh.
I clicked the wrong button.
L excuses. Right hand on the Bible.
This motherfucker's chin.
Nope. Nope.
Bro,
nope.
Fucking get up the goddamn bridge. What's that fucking hacksaw ridge right here? Jesus Christ. Can't get up that motherfucker.
Where do you get the coal at? I don't think I've ever seen a chunk of coal.
Oh, I missed.
Were you trying to shoot me or Mitch? You can get coals out of the boxes or like out of people's fireplaces.
Oh.
I can't do anything. He's right next to me. If I go into a house, he's just gonna shoot his fucking thing in there. Bro, leave me alone.
Leave me alone. I see the pink man in the tower.
It's just fucking.
The boulder has conflicted feelings while beating a girl.
What?
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Wait, what's this do?
Yeah.
What's the symbol monkey do?
No! Mitch!
It's like a monkey from Black Ops.
Mitch, please help me! Somebody help me, Mitch! Mitch, stop it!
Did you take my rifle?
No.
You son of a bitch.
You can't get me.
Bitch.
Guys,
Where are you?
I'm way off in the corner of the fucking.
I'm
Mitch,
coming.
bro, Mitch, Mitch has been following me for fucking like 5 minutes.
Oh.
You know what, Mitch?
If you run into me,
You
that's
know
your
what,
own
Mitch?
fault.
Suck a monkey.
What?
How do you use it?
Just click.
I'm getting airstrike! Bro, I can see him creep walking behind us.
Hey, Mitch, don't run right there, bruh.
Hey, just don't worry about me. Hey, how you doing, bud? He's trying to eat me!
We still need to find the motherfucking key, though.
Yeah.
Run, CJ, run!
Oh, it's getting dark, gang.
Yeah, that's bad. That's real bad.
That's alright. It's alright. We're okay. There's nothing to
We're
worry
fine.
about.
We're fine.
We got this.
Damn, this is a strong church. There we go.
Yeah, that church.
Bro,
Never mind,
I
that's
didn't
your
know what he
fucking
meant by I gotta do my Hitler roll. I didn't know he meant fucking tearing down the church. We're gonna escape the Holocaust. Hey, what's up, Tyson?
I lost Tyson, so I used my scream, and this man is holding on to dear life, hanging from the cactus. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
I just see you running with a bed. What are you
Guys,
doing
we
with a
need-
bed?
Alright, fuck it. Fruit's going in.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
Damn, bro, look at Jake. Jake, look at this.
What?
I had this shit here. First of all,
damn.
Okay.
Well.
he's gonna steal my thunder for real, but it's okay.
My bad, bro.
If we need some of these,
if we need a couple of fruits.
Yo, I need some fruit.
I have 8 health. I have 8 health.
Come on.
No.
There's still fruit on the train.
Heal, let me heal.
We escaped the Holocaust!
Emoting on him. Emoting.
Only with higher Pokemon.
me not having 100 health because I had 9 different fruits in my bag at all times.
Bro, why did he spawn?
Who's gonna carry the trains? Hey, yo, fuck this guy.
He's just standing there, menacingly.
Bruh! Ah! Wait, did he hit you?
Yeah.
I know you're right here.
No, you don't.
Nuh-uh.
No.
Ooh.
Try to find out who's trapped you in.
Okay, that's fucked up. That's fucked up.
Where you at now? Where you at?
Oh, there's a limited amount on the pogo stick. I wish I would have known that before I just started frivolously using it.
Just look at the bottom left, dingus. What?
Bro, fuck this guy.
Did you already hit that tower?
Yeah. There's another pogo stick right there, though, at that chest I was just at.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
Well, lads, I failed everything I set out to do.
How did I not
He
hit?
shot me.
Oh,
He shot me. I don't. It's on not on. Oh, what? Yourself up.
I killed myself.
God.
I killed the both of
You
us,
killed
Tyson.
me.
I killed the both of us.
Bruh.
Oh my
How am I
God.
supposed to manage this?
Leave.
You'll be alright. Just get to the hot air balloon.
Fucking leave, bro. Run, Forrest, run.
Oh!
You
Well-
ain't going over there.
Well, you're fucked now. Dude, just fucking run. Way to prove that.
Where are you going?
Whoa! Bro, fucking swish that.
Yo, they call me Nick Curry.
What?
I have no idea what you're saying.
Oh.
Bro, that was tough. Well, these two fucking suicide bombed themselves.
No,
Jake suicide bombed both of us.
I stood there watching you guys and your body just flew.
I was just chilling. Next thing I know, boom! I'm like, what just happened?
I forgot I had dynamite. I just got in a mode of just throwing shit in the furnace and forgot I had dynamite. So
Bro's role playing Hitler and he's role playing Al Qaeda. Like, what the fuck is going
let's
on?
go. I like bar. Bro, I'm about to hit this snipe.
Bro, I'm getting camped so hard.
This is ridiculous.
No shot!
No!
Bro, that was an insane snipe right there.
Oh, come on.
Nice. Nice.
I'm full dead.
That's kind of the point.
Okay. He's
Okay,
there.
dickhead.
Fucking mean fucking dickhead. Your entire game has been a fucking dickhead, bro. Fucking bullshit ass perks.
I know you're around here, Jake.
Yeah!
No!
Fuck you!
Nice.
God.
God damn! You're fucking annoying as shit.
I lunged the movement. It was a fucking TNT.
Oh, fuck that guy.
Hey, you know what? Fuck you.
Oh, you bastard.
I think he just wasted that.
Did I?
Yoink!
Bro, I'm behind a fucking cactus. That's so bullshit.
Let's go. I saw you split second, and I thought you were just a bigger cactus, and I was like, wait, hold on, that had a hat.
Fuck this guy.
There's no way you saw his hat.
Of all things.
Cactuses don't have hats.
That's fucking bullshit. There's no way you saw my perfectly reasonable sized hat.
We got this. Tyson Jake is bad.
We're gonna get shit on.
I'm glad at least one person has faith in me.
This game is so fucked.
A fucking horror game with Jake. It doesn't say anything.
I'm fucked. I'm fucked.
You know what, Mitch?
Yeah.
Fucking monkey cock.
Suck that monkey's cock. I thought it would have done more. Nah, it just hit once and was like ding, and just fucking nothing else. Hey buddy.
I can fuel the train. Watch this. Yeah, we about to fill this hoe up. Whoop.
Get fucked,
No
idiot.
way.
Nice. Nice.
Get fucked.
Bullshit, man.
Bullshit, you're point blank. Suck my nuts. Fuck off, Mitch, I can hear you.
Alright, I got my hope back. I don't think I'll get that table back though, unfortunately.
Yeah, I munched down that table.
Get fucked, idiot.
No way, fuck off.
What do you mean, no way, fuck off? That's literally the only thing I can do. Guys.
What?
You got time, bro. He won't be in.
You trapped now, bitch.
Oh, am I? Oh, this is a good spot right here.
Oh, look, it's literally, I'm looking at just black on my screen.
Can you still
Black,
see
and then
dots?
The cactuses are bright green. The cactuses are bright green.
Can you
Yeah,
still
Mitch is-
see like the dots?
In rough shape. His graphics,
I can see the dots of where you are or whatever, but like,
his
Seeing
integrated
you is
graphics gave up.
He ain't made for this.
oh,
Bro realized he ain't built for this.
Oh, I'm dead.
That's rough, buddy.
I don't know how I'm still alive.
R.I.P. Tyson.
Not me using Tyson's death as an untimely event to get the fuck out of there.
Bro, where is this key?
But when you use your tar ability and like it cucked me into the red building, so I was stuck in there. Like I couldn't leave.
Bro, are we gonna talk about how this cactus is fully sideways? What the fuck?
where
I'm
you
trying
at?
to climb this big
Where you
ass
at,
rock and
man?
I'm stuck on the hoe.
Where you at?
I'm not over there. I'm not over there.
Yeah, you are.
Nuh-uh.
I see you right here. You right
You don't
here.
see me. You don't see me. Who has the
Got
key?
him.
Him?
Tyson.
Got him.
Did he drop it?
Yeah, I got it.
Give it here.
Where are you?
Right over this hole. Don't move.
Okay.
I'll be defense. Go, run.
Woo!
Go.
I'm going.
Defense.
Defense! Woo! Come on, boys.
Get on this hole.
Where you at, Tyson? We won. Light work.
Oh yeah, because I'm stuck underground. Fuck.
Light work.
Yeah.
Light work.
Defense.
Defense.
What the fuck am I doing?
Look at the moves.
How is he doing that, bro? Dude's got incredible core strength. Bruh.
You spin me round, round, baby, round, round.
This is bad. Bad.
Let's go.
I just love it when you like jump on a ledge and then it's just like, nah. You nah.
You didn't jump on this ledge, dog.
You didn't jump, you didn't hold on to it. Go fuck yourself. Honestly, you're the worst fucking idiot ever in the world, and I hope you fucking die in a train wreck in Nam.
God damn.
That's basically what the game just said to me right there. This is
It
bad.
seems like a lot of pimped up anger, bud.
Yeah. Mitch has been pissing me off all day.
Good old toxic Mitch. You can always count on him for that.
Get down here, motherfucker.
Nah. You go away. Ooh!
Oh, that was close.
I'm here, Jake. I'm gonna help you out. We gonna get this worm.
We gonna get this worm. Bro, I'm so scared.
Smash me.
No way this dude's alive.
What?
Cap. Cap.
No way you
Cat.
find that.
Bro, fucking
I
what?
just watched that happen from a distance.
Someone said cap.
No way you climbed that. No way you fucking climbed that, you fucking whore. Golly.
It's pronounced worm. Thank you very much.
It's pronounced suck my cock.
I know you right here, bro.
No, you don't. I don't think I'm even gonna make it back to the train. Dude, fuck this guy.
Shit. Oh, Jake, would you die?
Mitch is fucking with my shit, bruh.
I got some TNT. Watch this.
Was that some lag
Yeah.
for y'all?
Yeah, I don't know what just happened.
What the fuck is happening? My game. I'm bugging for real.
Yeah, it was bugging for a little bit.
I couldn't get it, bro. This guy going to use broken games to win. That's what
Yeah,
I'm doing.
for real. He's gonna be camping that shit. Oh no, he camping train.
He's coming right for me, too. Fuck you, Mitch. Fuck you.
Fuck you, Mitch. You stupid cunt.